Gotta let the dust settle.
So yesterday, Jason and I were at the pits. We were just messing around. We were trying to set up these barrel style races like they do at the Stampede.
Oh yeah.
It was quite fun.
Through this ditch here,
got
so
really competitive really fast. There was a few iffy moments where we almost got tangled up with one another. I tried it in second gear for this first run and it just didn't work at all. So I learned my lesson and made some improvements, and we both got quicker over these next few runs. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.
That was good. I stalled though. I thought I would have had you, but I stalled it.
Close. The first turn.
Yeah. That was good. That was a good one.
Yeah.
That got hairy.
It's hairy, eh?
Yeah. I lost that one. Let's switch sides. Switch sides. I like Good work.
It's funny, it's like, I'll come to that turn, I'm like, oh, no way you can get me on this one. And then it's like, holy fuck,
I just stuffed it right in there.
And then I come out of the turn, and I always look, and you're like 4 inches in front, like right there.
You kicked me on the one, like coming out of here.
I was like,
you just like kicked my front
I thought
wheel.
I was gonna get tangled up and
I know. That's fun, just a super tight race like that.
Oh, I have really good videos I'll send you guys.
That was fun.
Really good.
That was a lot more fun than I was expecting.
Yeah, it's so stupid.
Yeah.
It's so fun. It's competitive, right?
It is really
That's
competitive.
what the thing is.
And it's like good working on those tight turns like that. Just like pivoting around. We definitely got faster.
Yeah, we got way better.
Yeah, even just on the starts. Like we were both being more aggressive on the starts.
Yeah, keeping it right pinned until we're on the brake.
Yeah. You would always like look back right going into the corner. I was like, oh, I got you. Every time you look behind you, I'm like,
fucking T-bone me.
yeah.
Yeah, it was funny. It's as soon as he seen it at the rodeo, he was watching the barrel
I was
racing.
like, oh,
and,
man,
he's
we
like,
gotta
we
do
should
that."
do
Yeah.
to do this on dirt bikes.
Yeah. I've never thought of it.
Do the whole rodeo on dirt bike.
I know.